people saying that finance is just so much more interesting than accounting. And then now you're moving from an interesting area to like boring area. What would you say?
I take an exception to that saying it's boring. It's fun. But people confuse accounting as just one big bucket. But as you all know, there's forensic accounting, there's tax accounting, there's audit, there's IT type of activities, data and so forth, security type of activities. I personally love taxes. So it took me 12 years to realize that I love taxes. Not a lot of people love taxes, but I actually makes me really, as you can see, I started to giggle when I talk about taxes. I love taxes, and that was what I discovered that made me the happiest when it comes to accounting. Everybody will have to find what makes them happy, what field within accounting makes them happy, or a subject area. Finance was a great opportunity to have a broad set of perspectives and a lot of different things that we were putting together in order to determine who is doing better, who is doing worse. Those skill sets were great when I'm helping our small business clients of how to navigate their finances and their activities so they can survive, especially in the current environment. So it is not that it was boring in accounting wise, and it's not that finance is fantastic. You as an individual have to find out what makes you want to get up every day and say, I'm ready to change the world.
I can see the excitement on your face when you talk about tax and your career. So like people say that doing accounting is stable because like especially doing tax, everyone needs tax. So if you're doing tax, you don't need to worry about, oh, one day you lose job, or you need to worry about finding the next job because literally everyone requires this service. And people may think that, oh, I choose accounting just because it's stable. What would you say for those people?
Accounting overall is a very stable career opportunity, but a person has to decide why they are selecting within a section, piece within accounting, whether it's forensic or tax or any of the area. I can tell you there are areas of accounting that I'm not interested about, and that's okay to say. I could do certain pieces, but I would not be as happy and excited about talking, like I'm talking about tax. Yes, taxes is going to be always be there, but our industry is in the process of transformation, and activities we have been doing will be taken or will be enhanced by robotic automations or by simplification of tax code, what everybody hopes, but of course it never happens. It usually is the opposite, that tax code are going to be more complicated rather than simplified. But taxes is an area where you will see a lot of transition. So in the state of California, it's very different than in another state. But in the state of California, if you look at the small to medium-sized practices, most partners or solo practitioners are 50 plus to 75 range. Age-wise, they are looking for an exit, right? So there will be an incredible amount of opportunity for an incoming person to have a lot of new business. And of course, California has a lot of businesses that will always need help with taxes. And you have to decide, am I working with business clients? Am I dealing with international tax? Am I dealing with individual tax? Or am I dealing with some unique segment or like ERISA type of activities? Whatever that will make them happy, or sales tax type of activities. But you have to find out what you like as a person-wise. But it has an incredible opportunity for the next 5 to 15 years because unfortunately a lot of practitioners are retiring. So you can take over a practice if that's what you want, or you can just start a practice after you have enough experience and able to grow it organically. There will be an incredible opportunity in the state of California for all tax practitioners.